Hi, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts, where all my crochet patterns are inspired by nature. If you've watched my videos, you probably know I'm from beautiful British Columbia, Canada, which means my crochet patterns use US terminology. The majority of my viewers are from the United States. Thanks everyone there for watching, but I also have viewers from England, Australia, and all over the world. When it comes to crocheting, we're not always speaking the same language. So in this video, I'm going to go over some of the main differences between UK and US crochet terminology. Let's start with the double crochet, or what I call a single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Another popular stitch is the half treble crochet, which I call a half double crochet. I started with a yarn over, and then I'm inserting my hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the stitch. Next we have the treble crochet, or what I call the double crochet. So I've yarned over, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops to complete the stitch. So I've showed you the difference between the 3 main stitches, but here's some other stitches that you might come across. You can pause this video and take a look. If you're looking for some free crochet patterns, come check out my channel. This is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts.